Welcome to our lesson about the Check Sketch for Feature Usage tool. In my graphic area, I've got some geometry. As you see, I've got two gaps. Before I activate the Check Sketch for Feature Usage tool, let's see how big our gaps are. Activate the Measure tool. Select this point and this point. The distance is about 7 millimeters. Okay, let's delete this point. Right-click and delete. And the second point as well. Now let's select these 2 points. Our gap here is about 5 millimeters. Okay. Let's go to Tools, Sketch Tools, and let's select Check Sketch for Feature Usage. Here we need to select a feature from the drop-down menu. I'm going to select Surface Extrude. And let's click Check. SOLIDWORKS lets us know no problems were found. We do have 2 open contours. Let's click OK. Now let's check this sketch for a base extrude feature. Let's click Check. And now SOLIDWORKS lets us know that we do have a problem. The sketch has more than one open contour and the problem areas are selected in the graphic area. We need to try to fix this sketch. Let's click OK. Here's the Repair Sketch window. SOLIDWORKS checks for gaps. Remember, our smallest gap was about 5 millimeters and the other was about 7 millimeters. Now, since the value here is smaller than the gaps, SOLIDWORKS doesn't detect anything, so we're going to need to increase the value. Let's say 10 millimeters. And then let's click Refresh. Now SOLIDWORKS uses the magnifying glass to show us where the problem is. We can hide the magnifying glass by clicking here. And let's cancel out of the Repair Sketch window. Activate the tool again. Check for feature usage under Sketch Tools. Let's scroll down to Base Extrude and click Check. SOLIDWORKS finds the same problems. This time, let's cancel out of this window. The problem entities are selected. Let's just delete them and drag out here. Drop the point when the coincident relation glyph appears. Let's check again. Surely enough, we do have a second problem, which is also selected. Let's cancel out of this window. Click Delete. Now I'm going to drag this point and merge it with this point. Drop it when I see the coincident relation glyph. Let's check again. And now we've got a closed profile. Let's click OK. Close. And let's undo. OK, to activate the Repair Sketch tool, you can go to Tools, Sketch Tools, and select Repair Sketch. Once again, to catch our gaps, let's enter a value of 10 millimeters here. SOLIDWORKS shows us the problem areas. Let's cancel out of this window. And this concludes our lesson about checking our sketch for feature usage.